Alright, this is the pontoon boat. Got this pretty cheap. Came with a Evinrude 115 horsepower. I haven't tried to run it yet. I don't never messed with a boat motor before, but we'll see. This is my first boat. So there we go. Pontoon boat, 18 foot. That's the front of the boat. It is a little bit of old boat. I think this is a 1994 here. Landau. Castaway 18. Got some aluminum ladders I was thinking about using for main support on this boat. Because when I strip it, I don't know exactly what it's going to look like. Came with 2 seats, 2 gas tanks. Like I said, an Evinrude motor, which I already removed. And I have it in my garage, which I'll show you in a little bit. Came with this cover. This is not bad at all, even though it looks like it is getting tore up. Probably gonna have to replace that. Alright, it came with 2 gas tanks. This one's a bigger one. Hopefully that can work. Came with a lot of stainless steel screws, which that will come useful when redoing everything. Just a couple pieces of plywood. And that's the rest of the boat. I mean, look at this thing. It's got holes all over it. Completely dry rotted. And they put some sort of sealant on here, which I believe made it even worse. Look at this thing. It's like some sort of like roofing. I wouldn't suggest that. Yeah. Very rough. It's like literally like you're on a roof. And everything rotted underneath. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow us with the updates of the new upgraded pontoon.